My mother called this the Constipation Killer because of how quickly it gets things moving. You only need 2 simple ingredients, and chances are they're already in your kitchen. If your belly's bloated, you feel heavy and drained, and you haven't had a bowel movement in days, you need to make this today, my friend. Save this video so you always have it on hand. Here's exactly what you're going to do. Take 1 lemon and squeeze it fresh into a glass. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to it. You'll see the fizzing start. That means it's activated. Let the fizzing calm down, then drink it like a shot on an empty stomach. The lemon and baking soda create an alkaline reaction that immediately changes your gut environment. It wakes up your liver, kickstarts your digestion, and moves everything along. In about half an hour, you'll feel a natural urge to go, and your body will release weeks of backed-up waste that's been festering inside you. But the real magic is what happens after the release. You'll feel the fog in your head clear, your bloating will shrink, your energy will return, and you'll start going to the bathroom like clockwork. This simple recipe helps reset your entire digestive system from within. My mother gave us this anytime we felt backed up or sluggish, and it worked every single time. Comment health if you're making this today, and follow me for more natural healing secrets you won't hear about anywhere else. The best energy drink is 3 liters of water. The best focus drug is 8 hours of sleep. The best antidepressant is 45 minutes of exercise. Let no one tell you otherwise. Health is simple, my friend. Comment yes if you agree. This is the fastest way to melt dangerous liver fat naturally. Researchers at Yale discovered that lemons, mixed with honey, melted 34% of liver fat in just 3 weeks. But the power is in how you make it, my friend. Before I show you what to do, save this video and comment, "Thank you," so I know to keep making these. This is exactly what you do. Boil a cup of water and let it cool to a warm temperature. Squeeze 1 whole lemon in. Add a tablespoon of raw honey. Then grate half a teaspoon of fresh ginger, my friend. Stir it up and drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. The lemon sends citric acid to your liver that attacks fat buildup and helps flush out toxins. The raw honey calms inflammation and shields your liver from oxidative stress. And the ginger increases bile flow, so your liver can eliminate fat more efficiently. As you take this daily, in just a few weeks you'll notice less bloating, higher energy, glowing skin, and that tired, heavy feeling will fade away, my friend. Like this video and follow me for more health secrets from Mother Nature. Did you know there are 5 characteristics that reveal you're dealing with a genuinely good person? 1. This person is almost always alone. Not because they hate people, but because they've learned that peace is softer, calmer, and more honest when it's just them. They enjoy their own company because it's the only place they don't have to pretend. 2. This person tends to think deeply about life, about people, about every mistake, every heartbreak, and every moment that shaped them. Their mind never rests because they feel everything more intensely than others. 3. They can read you faster than you think. 1 look, 1 word, and they already sense your intentions. They pick up on energy, tone, and patterns long before you speak the truth out loud. 4. They don't trust easily. Not because they're cold, but because they've seen too many masks, too many sweet promises that turned into broken truth, too many people who said forever but left anyway. 5. And most important, this person has suffered more than you could ever imagine. But instead of becoming bitter, they became kind. Instead of choosing revenge, they chose silence. Instead of giving up, they kept their heart open. There are good people in this world, my friend. We must cherish and celebrate them every day. This is the only medicine you need for cold and flu season, my friend. While everyone around you is coughing and sneezing, you'll be standing strong because of my viral honey bomb. You only need 5 simple ingredients, and you probably already have them in your kitchen. Like and save this video so you can come back to it. Here's how you make it, my friend. First, grate a tablespoon of fresh ginger into a jar. This fires up your immune system and calms inflammation. Then, add a teaspoon of turmeric. This shields you from cold and flu before it starts. Then, add a pinch of black pepper. This activates the turmeric so your body can absorb it. Crush 2 or 3 garlic cloves and drop them in. This is nature's antibiotic. It wipes out viral infections in minutes. Now, pour raw honey over everything. This soothes your throat and fights bacteria at the same time. Mix it all up and let it sit overnight. If you're just starting, take a teaspoon in warm water a few times a week. But if you feel a cold coming on, take a tablespoon straight. This will fire up your immune system and stop the cold dead in its tracks, my friend. Comment yes if you'll be trying this, and follow me for more health recipes doctors won't tell you about. Sleeping with the fan on is extremely dangerous, and most people do it every single night. You think the breeze is keeping you cool and comfortable, but it's actually launching a silent attack on your respiratory system. When you sleep with moving air directed at you, it rapidly evaporates the moisture from your mouth and nasal passages. Your body reacts to this extreme dryness in panic mode, producing excess mucus to try to compensate. This is why so many people wake up feeling congested with a stuffy nose or a pounding headache. But it gets worse, my friend. A fan doesn't just blow air. It acts like a vacuum for dust and dead skin cells, shooting them directly into your sinuses for 8 hours straight. But here's the strangest part. Sleeping with a fan can actually damage your eyes. Many people sleep with their eyelids partially open without realizing it. That constant airflow dries out the surface of your cornea all night long, leaving you with red and irritated eyes the moment you wake up. If this was helpful, comment yes, and follow me for more natural health secrets. If you don't want to get cancer before you turn 50, stop these 6 habits immediately. Number 4 is going to shock you, because 90% of people do it every single day without knowing they're feeding cancer cells. Watch this video twice, save it, and share it with everyone you love. Number 1. Microwaving food in plastic containers. The heat releases chemicals that mess with your hormones and trigger abnormal cell growth. Number 2. Eating burnt or charred meat. Those black crispy parts contain carcinogens that damage your DNA directly. Number 3. Using regular deodorant with aluminum. It absorbs through your skin and builds up in breast tissue where tumors develop. Number 4. This is the one almost everybody does. Sleeping with your phone under your pillow or right next to your head. That radiation causes cellular damage, and that damage becomes cancer. Number 5. Drinking from plastic water bottles left in hot cars. The heat activates toxins that leak into your water and attack your organs. Number 6. Eating sugar every single day. Cancer cells feed on glucose. When you flood your body with sugar, you're literally feeding tumors. Stop these now or pay the price later. Comment yes if you found this useful. Share this with someone who does all 6. My next video shows you 6 habits that prevent cancer naturally. Follow me so you don't miss it. Sex is not love. Dating is not love. Talking to someone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is not love. Staying up all night for someone is not love. Love is when someone sees the parts of you that you try to hide, the fears, the anger, the exhaustion, and still chooses to stay. It's when someone gives you emotional safety when your mind is at war with itself. It's when someone becomes your calm amidst the chaos, your anchor in the storm. Love is someone who speaks to you when you're overwhelmed, reminding you of your worth when you can't remember it yourself. Love is standing by you while you heal, without trying to fix you. It's when someone understands the silence behind your "I'm fine" and provides the comfort you don't always know how to ask for. Love is loyalty that doesn't require validation. Faithfulness that holds strong even when you're apart. It's someone who protects your vulnerabilities, makes joy feel like healing, and still chooses you when your heart is to love. Real love is steady, patient, and safe. Share this with that special person, my friend.